If you are interested in monitoring the ArchivesSpace PUI project progress, you can log into Asana, the project management tool we are using to record, track, and annotate our work. You have already received an invitation to join Asana, so to log in, just use the asana.com link. Feel free to Google it if that's easier. And you should get a screen like this. What you're going to want to do is log in. Use the Yale email address and the password that you created. Once you are logged into Asana, you can select the project board you want to review from the left-hand side navigation bar. For the next few months, the most relevant project board is the ArchivesSpace PUI Road to Soft Launch. By selecting that project from the list, the project will display on screen. As you can see, there is a section for each area of our work identified as required for initiating the soft launch of the PUI. If there is an area of the PUI project you are particularly interested in, scroll down to that task section. So for example, if you're interested in the area of work related to the cascading style sheet or the interface changes to the PUI, there's one for usability and accessibility. You will see specific tasks we have identified to complete the work along with a projected due date or a particular date range for when the work should be completed. You can also easily identify the status of the task as either started, waiting, if something is finished, or in the case of specific tasks, recurring. You will also see the priority we have assigned to the task, critical, required, desired, and such, along with the PUI project workgroup assigned to that particular task and the particular lead. By just hovering over the icon, you can get the name of the person assigned to that particular task. In addition, by clicking on any individual task, you will get a detail screen to the right, which has more information, including any notes we're making, any conversations going on about that. All of that data that's contained here is also searchable through Asana, and if you're interested, you can also follow a particular task to receive notification about any updates to that particular task in Asana. When you're done, just simply click the X to close out that detailed pane and go back to selecting another task. When you're done, you can go up to your image icon. It might be your photo, it might just be a circle with your initials, and feel free to log back up. Hopefully you'll find Asana very easy to navigate and full of information on the work we need to do to implement the ArchivesSpace PUI.